So here we have an image of some elves. We're going to take this guy's head off and put it on this picture on this lady. So step one is to make sure that you have changed the background to a layer and then duplicated that layer. So we double click on background, click OK. Now then we right click on the layer, duplicate the layer. We don't need to rename, and then we just switch the bottom one off. Remember, we're looking down through the layers from the top down. So step one is to get the lasso tool, but not that one, the magnetic lasso. So we hold down this one and you've got all your options, the magnetic lasso. This one snaps to a color difference. So when there's a big difference between colors, this is an easy way to, and you just click once and then drag slowly as close as you can to the edge, and the cursor will snap to the edge of the difference in color. So you just do that as carefully as you can, and then when you get back to the starting point, there'll be a little 0 somewhere on your cursor. Double click and it finishes, and then we're going to go to the layer menu and say new layer via copy. Click that, and then you see you get a third layer in your layers palette. It's called layer 1 in my case. I'm going to choose the move tool, and then we can see that that can move. Now we can put that here, there, but we can also move it to another file just by dragging it up to the tab and then back onto the image and letting go. And there it is. We'll do the same thing with the background first. We'll double click on the background, click OK, right click on that layer, duplicate it, OK, and then make it disappear, make it invisible. So now we're looking from the top down. We can see layer 1 is the head, layer 0 copy is the background. We get the move tool and move the head. It's too big though, so let's transform it. Edit, free transform. You get a box around it, you can drag it from the corner to make it smaller, and then drag it from the middle to place it and get it to the size you want, and you hit enter on the keyboard. You can drag it with your mouse, or you can move it with your arrows to the spot that you want. And there we have the new face on the new background. It's as simple as that.